Welcome to my craft area. I'm Anna Hellman and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's look at today's project. Have you seen the sweet little Valentine's cards and more set? This set is so cute and I actually missed it when I was first looking through the new Stampin' Up! Catalog. But the second time or the third time I looked through, I saw it and I was really excited about it because the set comes with card bases, cards to go on top to decorate, and really cute envelopes all in the kit. You get enough for 10 cards and it's a really good price for what you get in here. So I wanted to use this today and show you how you can make some really cute either Valentine's themed or all occasion cards with this sweet little set. So we will be using the set that I purchased, of course, the sweet little Valentine's cards and more. We will use these cards. I'll show you these real quick. So with these, they're double-sided. So you get 5 of this design that says you are loved, and you flip them over. They have this nice distressed look. And then this other set of 5 has the hearts on one side with love you, and the other side is 2 big hearts. So these are perfect for Valentine's Day, but I think they're great for other occasions too. So in addition to those things, we are going to be using some pre-prepared tags I made with our many messages bundle. So if you haven't seen that before, you need to check it out. I put together a few videos now on the many messages bundle. It is 1 stamp and 1 die that cuts, I think it's about 18 tags all at one time. So in just a few times of stamping and a few times of running that through my cut and emboss machine, I have tons of tags, and I actually just made some more in some different colors. So we're going to use those tags I prepared. I also have a few different ribbons and trims that I've grabbed here with a few little embellishments. So that's all we're going to use with these cute card sets. So what I want to do first, let's go ahead and put these card front pieces onto the card bases, and then we will decorate from there. So I'm going to lay them on the side that I want to put adhesive on, and then we'll flip these over and attach them. And you could definitely attach these with some dimensionals if you want to pop them up some. I just decided we'll keep it quick for today. I needed a quick bunch of cards. I'm running low on my stash that I need to send out. So we're just going to make these really quick and easy. So we'll stick some seal on here. This is actually our Seal Plus, which I really like. It has a nice strong hold, a little bit stronger than the regular seal. Okay, I'll scoot those a little bit and we will start putting these on the card fronts. So I'm not sure which ones I will put these on, but I will decide as we go. You are loved. We'll put one on this card base. We'll put another one on this other one. So we're going to put these together a little bit different. So we are not going to have any 2 of these that will be the same when we get done. Now this one with the hearts, put on this card base. Do this one on the stripes. Now we have these cute hearts. Put that one there. I think I'll put the other 2 on the stripes. And I don't remember at the moment what's on the back side of these. Is this the distressed one? Yes, it is. Okay, so the rest of these will be this distressed card. Okay, so I'm going to set these off to the side for a second, and we'll grab one bunch at a time. And let's work on these first, the ones that say you are loved. So I actually made some of these the other day that I'd put together when I was scrambling. I needed some cards to send out and I was short, like I mentioned. So I'm going to do exactly what I did the other day on one of these. And all I did, it didn't need another greeting, of course, because it says you are loved. All I did was add a little dot of glue and a little twine bow. And I just love these. The detail of the cards that you get is just so pretty with all the little dots punched out and the scalloped edges and the gold. So I just added a little twine bow and thought that that was really cute that way. Now for this one, I thought I would just add a few sequins. We have these Artistry Bloom sequins that are so pretty. I love the colors in them. Not sure where I want to put these. And the colors are great for these sweet little Valentine's cards. So I thought they'd look nice on here. So let's set those to the side, and how about we work on these distressed ones next? So this one we have a lot bigger open space to work with, whereas this one was pre-printed and pretty much ready to go. So on these I want to add some tags with some greetings, and a lot of times when I add a tag with a greeting, one thing I like to do is add a little swoosh of ribbon underneath. So I put down some of that Seal Plus, which is nice and strong for holding ribbon or embellishments for that matter. And I don't ever know when I'm doing this if I'm going to like where it is. But after I get that stuck down, I'm going to look at this and see if I put my For You over top, do I like that? And I do. So I'll trim the end off. And with my tags, I already put some dimensionals on the back. And I've removed that paper backing, so they are ready to go. So this one says For You. Now, does it need a sequin or two? I think I'll add a few sequins. Maybe just 2. Like I said, I thought these colors looked really nice with these cards. So there's a little For You, very cute. Here, thought these ribbons coordinated really nicely, so I had this bow ready. We'll stick it on with a glue dot. Right there in the center. And then I have this tag that says, "You are a rare find, my dear friend." And I'm debating, thought about putting it on in the center. I actually thought about putting the bow on crooked and sticking it in here. Nope, we're not going to do that today. Sometimes you just don't know until you try it, right? I think I'll put that down there and trim these ends off a little bit. And I really like that with that nice soft ribbon that coordinates. And another thing I like to do with ribbon, there my adhesive got off to the side a little crazy, so I'll fold it over, make sure it stays behind that ribbon, is to just put a strip of ribbon down and then put a tag over top of that. So this one says, "Just a card to say hello." Stick that down. So as you can tell here, I'm not just making Valentine's cards. These are going to be all occasion cards. Some will get sent out between now and Valentine's Day, and some of them won't. Now let's work on these 2 cute ones here with the hearts. I'm going to do another little variation of a ribbon swoosh. This one I'm going to cover up the little "Love You" because I may not want it for a Valentine's or Love You card. And then this one, I think, look and see what I have prepared here. I may leave it visible on that one. Okay, so basically I just folded my ribbon in the center. I have the ends trimmed at a nice angle. And I'm going to put a tag over the heart so you won't see the one back there that says "Love You." So I love how our friendship has grown. I love this collection here that is gathering. Now I have this little tag that says thank you, and I think I am just going to add that. It fits right over that heart. And now for fun, let's add a few little sequins. So here's one of the other colors that comes in the set. It's more of an orange color. Someday I want somebody to teach me the science of applying sequins so that they look nice on your card. But usually when I stick with 3s, it works out. If I keep too close to my greeting or the main focal point and then stick one kind of off to the side somewhere, usually I think it works out pretty well. So that's what I'm doing here. And now I have these 3 with the big hearts. So I am going to do the same thing I did on the first one with one of these and just stick a bow right there. Just like that, no greeting or anything. Now for this next one, I have this little tag that says you make me smile. It could go anywhere really. I think I'll stick it over here. And let's add a few sequins to this one. Now I know I just talked about doing sequins in 2 or 3s, but this time I'm going to do 2s. Just 2 right there. And last but not least, I have one more little twine bow made up. And where do I want to put this? I think we'll do this over here. Do something a little bit different and not center it this time. And this tag says, I love this. This is out of our new hydrangea stamp set. You are capable of amazing things. And I'm going to stick it right there. So here you go. Some really cute samples made with the sweet little Valentine's card set. And as you can see, it did not take long at all. The pieces were already prepared except for the greetings that I added and the embellishments. They came together really fast and they're super cute. And I think I showed the cards a little bit ago, but in case you did not see them and appreciate them, I love these cards. They have the gold accents on the inside of the envelopes, and everybody loves a special little surprise when you open your card. Thanks so much for joining in today. For more information and links to the products used today, click in the video description box down below to visit my website. Make sure you also click down below to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to receive notifications when I share new videos. I truly appreciate you being here, as well as every like, share, and comment that I receive. I'll see you again next time when I'll be back helping you to hand make with love.